So we're raising this one and this one here. Got bowled down real bad, and we're going with a thicker tube.
Look at those. That looks like those bolts came off the head.
And they look like they down some. It probably won't hurt to tighten them a little bit. They look a little lower down than the other ones.
Way low, ain't it?
Or maybe just as how that one is made or something, because it looks tight. Maybe it's not just as long as the other one. You see?
Oh yeah.
That's what it looked like, because it looks tight. But the other ones look a little longer, got a longer shaft on it.
Yeah,
And I had to fix one guy in Phoenix. He called on a service call before I moved from out there. Before I moved from Arizona. He called me about a brand new RV. Going down the road, leaving the dealership.
Yeah.
The fucking wheel fell off. Listen, It didn't come off. The bolts were still on it. The wheel right around here came completely off.
Oh,
the bolts and everything was still connected to the hood. He just bought it brand new off the lot, man. Like 60-some thousand. He was pissed.
Oh,
But he